So whenever you are making your inductions, make sure that you are using a present continuous tense. For example, as you are listening my voice, while you are listening my voice, as we are counting from 100 to 1, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस, या हिंदी में इसको क्या कहेंगे, मेरी हिंदी के ग्रामर इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, बट हिंदी में अगर आप कहेंगे प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, तो बीच में किसी को अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाऊंगा। So whenever you are writing your script, हिंदी में भी अगर आप लिख रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे आप मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हो, आपको महसूस होगा कि आपका शरीर एकदम रिलैक्स हो रहा है। जैसे जैसे हम एक एक नंबर नीचे जाएंगे, एक एक काउंट नीचे जाएंगे, आप महसूस करोगे कि आपकी बॉडी पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स हो रही है और आपकी पलकें बिल्कुल भारी हो रही है। वही जब आप इंग्लिश में लिखते हो, when I am counting from 25 to 1, you will start experiencing that your body is getting completely relaxed and your muscles are getting completely relaxed. As you are listening my voice, while I'm counting from 25 to 1, 25, pause लेना है, take a pause, then 24. Don't make it like 24, 23, don't do that way. Give a slow pause to the number, like 24, 23, 22. And when you are doing it, you yourself should start feeling sleepy. That means that your command is working. You should start feeling that yes, it is actually happening in your body. 25, 24, 23, 22. See, what you have to do is put yourself into the other person's shoes. Put yourself into the other person's shoes and see and experience that whether you are feeling that. Don't see it from your perspective, see it from your client's perspective, see it from the perspective of the other person. Then you will be able to do it in a better way. See from the other perspective that how exactly would you like to hear it. For example, if you go through the speech of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, his tone was absolutely in a complete kinesthetic manner. And many people used to feel sleepy because it was a complete kinesthetic. So whenever you are making your video, whenever you are making your script, try to use present continuous tense. In English grammar, which we call it as past tense, present tense, and future tense. In present tense also there is a present continuous tense. उसको आप लीजिए, as you are listening my voice right now, while you are sitting here, you will start feeling relaxing as I start count from 25 to 1. बीच में, in between, continuously try to give that hammering that we are counting from 25 to 1, so that it goes into the person's mind that I have to behave accordingly. Everyone has done very good attempt. I'm really happy with that. The only thing is when you are recording it in your voice, use a very slow tone voice, a slow pitch voice, where you yourself should also feel sleepy after listening that script of yours. Because if you are not feeling sleepy, probably the other person also might not feel sleepy. Few of them have really done perfectly well, in which, see, I don't want to name anyone, but the individual person will understand what I'm trying to say. Few of them have done perfectly well, but they have cut that particular, like 24, 23, 22. Don't go with this speed. The other person becomes conscious. You should be able to bypass their conscious mind. So make it as boring as possible, as slow as possible, so that the person gets involved in that. Also, keep hammering while, like for example, as you are listening my voice from 25 to 1 year of hone ke baad, after this, immediately by around 22 or 23 number, you should say that by the time we reach number 15, you will lose the control of your neck. So you are again breaking a pattern, imprinting a new command, and again going back to the old command. Because what happens is, if you are continuously following one pattern, the subconscious mind starts understanding that now after 21 he will say 20, after 21 he will say 20, then he will say 19. Probably that person might not get hypnotized. So break the pattern at that point. As we will reach by number 15, you will see that you are losing the complete control of your neck. And again, come back to 21, 20, 19, and by the time you reach 15, again you give a command. Even if you now you can choose to take your neck or allow your neck to go towards the left or right, or it will directly come towards your chest. वहां पे आप पॉजिटिव कमांड दे दो कि या तो लेफ्ट में जाएगी, राइट में जाएगी, या सीधे सामने की तरफ आ जाएगी. And it happens for everyone. Give these commands in the interrupt pattern also, so that you yourself should feel sleepy after listening your voice. People who do affirmations, and when they fail in the affirmations, the main reason for people who fail in affirmations is that they don't record those affirmations in their own voice and they don't listen it. Just sitting and making the affirmations will not work. Definitely it will not work. If you have to make your affirmations work, make sure that you are recording it in your own voice and listen them before sleeping. Also, the affirmation should always be into the present continuous tense, the process as it is happening. I am already in the process of releasing the weight and I am feeling healthy. Your mind will accept that command. 100% it will accept. So affirmations, if you really want to be successful in affirmations, then second thing what you have to do in affirmations is, even if it is apart from this topic, whenever you make like 2 or 3 affirmations and record it in your own voice, play a music loop player. Loop it continuously like for 25 to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. There are many softwares available which give you an opportunity to loop it. Like after you finish your first 3 affirmations, again it goes back to first. Again it goes back to second. So those affirmations continuously for like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, they will continuously completely get imprinted in your subconscious mind. Don't use affirmations just for heck of using. Yes, I am saying affirmations and I am not getting the result. It will not give you a result. Absolutely, it will not give you. The only way where you can get 100% result of affirmation is loop them and listen them continuously in your own voice. Reason being, our subconscious mind knows your own voice better. And if someone tells you, you always take it as a command. But if you do it yourself, you do it willingly. But अगर कल मैं आपको बोलूं नहीं your health is becoming perfect, your health is becoming perfect, probably your subconscious mind and conscious mind might reject it. I'm just talking about your own affirmations. So do your affirmations in your own voice. You will see the positive results. Now coming back to hypnotherapy things, use the best possible voice tone to make it happen. It will help you. If you are recording it on your MP3 player or maybe किसी और चीज में अगर आप record करते हो, I can tell you one more trick which has worked for me also. Empty कांच का glass लेने का, empty glass, and if your phone is like of the size which can sit inside that glass, keep the glass, put your phone on the audio recording mode and say your commands by keeping the glass in front of you. It helps you to give that eco feeling. As you are listening my voice, वो का feeling बहुत अलग आता है. Like if you keep your phone in hand and if you record, it will give a different impact. But if you keep your phone in the glass, actual glass, empty, पानी वाला नहीं, वरना आप बोलोगे मोबाइल का खर्चा दे दो. So प्लीज खाली ग्लास में मोबाइल रख दो. Your mobile should completely go inside the glass, like at least 3/4 of the glass should be filled by that mobile. It is the easiest technique to get that eco feeling. बहुत अच्छे results आते हैं उसमें. And when you listen your own voice in that way, you will see an amazing result happening. It works 100%. Check करके देख लेना. Otherwise, you can go for high quality mics or whatever, but that is not required right now. You can use your own glass. घर पे जो चीजें available है उसी के साथ करो. अच्छा result आएगा आपको. So use a present continuous tense, a slowest pitch possible, and then you will see that things are happening in a better way. So now my question goes to everyone. What is the process of inviting a disease in the body? हम लोग invite ही करते हैं बहुत बार. What is the actual process by which we invite the disease in the body? We all do it. What is the process? Can anyone tell? Yesterday I had discussed about it. हाँ रचना जी. एक मिनट, let me unmute, क्योंकि आप सब लोग बीच बीच में बोलते हो इसलिए. Now please don't speak. Yes, Rachna. Hello, Rachna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
No, please unmute. I have unmuted everyone. So how is the process where you can invite the disease?
Process of getting a disease is first step is in our thoughts, then it goes to our mind, then it reflects in our emotions, and when we are not able to resolve it through our emotions, then it comes and reflects through symptoms in our physical body.
Because that directly goes into your brain, and your brain is the fastest machine in the world, which can actually make those symptoms reflect in your body. So any disease happening to any human being, I am talking about the psychosomatic health issues. Any disease happening to any human being first starts in their thoughts and then it reflects in the body. And it depends upon the intensity of your thought, that how powerfully it can impact your physical body. If the thought is like a normal, yes, I might feel a small stomach ache. Probably that thought will reflect in your body in 2 to 3 days or maybe 5 days. But if you give a thought, for example, people who see and people who have generally watched the movies of Rajesh Khanna long back, cancer ke movies, always going back into that state has invited those health diseases. Your mind defines that what exactly will be your state of mind. You yourself see that you are into a happy state of mind, and immediately you run a cassette, Zindagi kaisi hai pahed, ekdam tumhara mood change ho jayega, and you will go back to that sad state, and probably you will invite all sorts of health issues. Reason being, our mind knows how to attract the health issues. I'm only talking about the psychosomatic health issues, and 85% of the diseases are psychosomatic. So change your thoughts, or else be ready to face the consequences down the line in form of chronic illness, which only symptoms are treated. Unfortunately, people don't work on the root cause. Because for chronic illness, most of the times, the root cause lies here, that too in the mind. And symptoms are treated. Skin disease ho gaya, one has got a skin disease, one has got a high BP, one has got anything you call, anything you say. and science has proven it. So work on your thought process. Don't invite any nonsense thoughts. Don't invite others to reprogram your thoughts in the negative way. Because when you are doing a self-hypnosis, when you will be helping your clients on hypnosis, it is important for you to understand the logic behind it, that किसके साथ ये क्यों हुआ है. Just saying the script that now, as you are listening my voice, your blood pressure will start coming to normal, वो बोलेगा नहीं होगा. Understand that why, what is the reason for that BP, why exactly BP can shoot up, how is your body's fight and flight mode mechanism. Day 3 पे जब मैंने flight and fight mode mechanism discuss किया था, go back through that video again and again. Understand how body's fight and flight mode works, and if you are not able to understand, you can also Google it through few, if you can get something, or maybe I have few more videos which I have already put on YouTube for fight and flight mode. Go through those videos also. Those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, because probably after the workshop, even these videos are generally made available only to the people who have subscribed, even if you have done the class. So please, it's a request, subscribe the channel. जहां तक किसी को कोई डाउट है, हेल्थ इश्यूज, सभी ने अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट लिखे. आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ एवरीवन. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन हैज डन. जिन्होंने अभी भी सबमिट नहीं किए हैं, या जिन्होंने अभी, एंड आई डोंट वांट यू टू सबमिट, but at least make an effort that yes, you have done it. It will give you confidence. It's not for me, it's for you. So I'll not recite the whole story again of yesterday. Those who really want to move ahead, do your practice, make it happen, and now be ready for writing the things. निकालो अपने पेन और बुक and लिखो, so that it becomes a event.
विवेक जी, थोड़ा सा अलग हटके एक चीज पूछ सकता हूँ
हाँ
मैं,
जी सर,
क्योंकि फिर
बिल्कुल
मैं भूल
बिल्कुल
जाता हूँ बार बार, मेरे को
बिल्कुल
ये रहता है
बिल्कुल
पूछने के लिए।
anytime, yes.
मैंने अक्सर नोट किया है, कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है जब भी वो कुछ मैसेज कर रहे हैं, इवन व्हाट्सएप पे या कुछ भी, तो वो मैसेज करने के एंड में आपका नाम लिखते हैं. क्या ये भी एक कमांड देना तरीका है कि
अपना
आपका
खुद
नाम
का
लेके वो अपने आप, नहीं, जैसे जय माता दी ललित, या
हाँ.
कुछ किया आगे कैसा है और ये किया फिर ललित, तो वो क्या वो कमांड देकर अपने आप को कहीं सुपीरियर करके, मतलब एक अपने आप को कमांडिंग पोजीशन में दिखा रहे हैं? क्या ये भी एक लिखते में हम कुछ ऐसा
Yes,
खेल हो रहा है?
it works in that way, because when you are writing your name at end of any statement, it shows as if you are giving that statement. That statement is directly coming from you. Please complete your work by tomorrow, Vivek.
नहीं सर, सामने वाला बंदा मुझे जय माता दी विश कर रहा है, बट उसके बाद वो लिखता है ललित.
हाँ, अच्छा, आपको स्पेसिफिकली एड्रेस कर रहा है.
हाँ.
तो that is like a salutation. जय माता दी ललित जी. That is like a saluation.
सर वो जी नहीं यूज करते, जो कि पहले कभी हुआ करता था. अभी मुझे ये फील हो रहा है, क्योंकि अब मैं कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा दिमाग उधर दौड़ रहा है मेरा, तो मुझे ये लग रहा है वो रिटर्न में जैसे मुझे कमांड दी जा रही है.
वही आपको सैल्यूएशन के साथ, अभी उसमें जो वर्ड्स हैं, that makes a big difference. हम कल मिल रहे हैं ललित, तो इसमें कमांड है और आपका नाम है. यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन टू से नो टू दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर वो ऐसा लिखता है आर वी मीटिंग टुमारो ललित, तो दैट इज नॉट अ कमांड. बट हम कल मिल रहे हैं ललित, तो यू हैव टू मीट. So that way also it works in a very different way on the subconscious mind. कन्वर्सेशनल पोस्टुलेट नाम का जो एनएलपी में फोर्थ मिल्टन मॉडल का पैटर्न आता है, that shows that how exactly are we using it. फर्स्ट आता है क्वेश्चन टैग, सेकंड आता है करंट पेसिंग, थर्ड आता है, थर्ड कौन बताएगा? चलो जिसने एनएलपी किया है. डबल बाइंड. फोर्थ इज कन्वर्सेशनल पोस्टुलेट. मैक्सिमम चीजें जो आती है ये चारों में ही आती है. सो व्हेनेवर वी आर गिविंग एनी कमांड, इट शुड बी लाइक अ कमांड, a sentence with a hidden command. Please close the door. Lalit ji, please close the door. Please close the door, Lalit ji. So you by default you are closing the door, even if it's a request, but it's a hidden command. So that way it works. That comes under conversational postulate of Milton model. Dr. Erickson Milton had devised this particular theory. It is not my theory, it's Dr. Erickson Milton, who is considered as a father of modern hypnotherapy. Because hypnosis is not about taking the pendulum in your hand. Hypnosis is about how you are talking, what words you are using. And as while I am speaking, I know few people have already started getting that particular sleepy mode while rubbing off their face. So that is Erickson Milton's model.
थैंक्स अ लॉट सर
Using
थोड़ा अभी थोड़ा
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल देखो, और एक चलो और दो चीजें और बताता हूँ before we move forward. And it will help everyone who has not learned NLP. First thing, question tag. Those who want to write down, please write down, because I probably those that is not a part of the notes, so please write it down here itself. Question tag. Whenever you want to reject a resistance, you use question tag. For example, यहाँ पे अगर मैं किसी के लिए कहूँ, the logo used by Manjeet ji is amazing, isn't it? वो जो झूले पे बैठे हुए लोग हैं. Here I have specifically given a command, and last में I have added isn't it. The hidden message of being number one behind Lalit ji is very profound, isn't it? Because here, whatever that logo is there, one, that gives a very deep impact to other person that he is number one. And it works. Commands. Go to any logos, standard logos, Philips, Adidas, Nike जो आप कहते हो. See those logos, those are completely based on hypnotic commands. They have a deep impact. How exactly that alphabet is moving, what is being signified, what is happening, that defines the entire process. So now again coming back to our writing material, where you will write something about, थोड़ा सा लिखना पड़ेगा, but please write it. Today we'll try to discuss as how exactly the physical organs of our body represent or they can cause certain diseases to any human being, or what they represent. थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा, but bear with me because this will help you. Just reading the notes will not help, but once you write it, it will ink it in your mind. So first comes
Sir,
in,
repeat from beginning. Sir, repeat from, I missed it.
Today whatever we will be learning, it will be showing that how exactly your every individual body organ works and also becomes a possible cause of that particular disease. यहाँ तक लिख लिया. Now we'll move further. Ankle. Represents mobility and direction. ये आपको जो लोग न्यूमरोलॉजी कर रहे हैं उनको भी बहुत काम आएगा if they go into medical numerology further. Arms. ARMS. It represents the capacity and ability to hold the experiences of the life. Backs, BACS.
Slow down, please.
Yes, sir.
Repeat once. The arms, capacity and ability to hold the
Ability to hold the experiences of the life. आप बोलते हो ना ये कितने strong arms है. how you are holding the experiences that way. Back represents the support of the life. If you see, like just as an example, many people who lose their parents at an early age, or probably don't get the support from their parents, many times face the problems related to back pain. Even when they don't get the support from their life partner, they face the issues related to back pain. You have to observe it while you are doing your clinical practice, while you are doing your counseling therapy, while someone is coming to you. You have to ask your questions in the right way. You will see that these things are happening. When someone is saying that I am having a back pain, severe back pain from last 8 to 10 years, ask him how is your support system in your family, whether it's between husband and wife, whether it's between you yourself. Because when the person takes continuous responsibilities on the shoulders and the back, probably they start getting the pain at the emotional level, and then once it comes on the emotional level, आपकी physical body reflect करने में time नहीं लगाती है. Blood, it represents a joy and free flow in the body. Bones,
सर ये जॉय किसके बारे में था?
joy is blood.
ब्लड,
blood.
BL,
BL खून body में का. Because once your blood is moving freely in the body, you always experience that energy. अगर blood में clotting शुरू हो जाए, so you start feeling those diseases. So whenever your life is free, whenever you are living a joyful life, you see your blood reports are absolutely normal. But the moment your emotional shift happens, you can test it yourself. The moment your emotional shifts happen, the first thing which changes in your blood is eosinophils. कभी देख लेना blood report ध्यान से. Check your eosinophils, basionophils, neutrophils, how these parameters change. This is not a medical class, so I'll not go into that depth. But आप खुद आप जब बीमार पड़ते हो तो रिपोर्ट के पैरामीटर्स देखो. Second है then bowels.
So bones को गया था.
Bones represent the structure of universe. Bowels,
Structure of
चक्र नहीं, structure of universe. Universe की रचना. Because our body is completely made up of Panch Mahabhut. Bowels represent release of waste. जो लोग grudges पकड़ के बैठते हैं ना, those people who hold on the grudges, they have a severe problem of constipation. Check out. जिन लोगों को constipation का problem है, तो people who are having problems related to constipation, see how age-old anger, grudges you are holding on in your mind, and it also starts impacting your stomach very badly.
So can you please repeat? Represent what?
Bowels represent your elimination of waste.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
सर एक चीज है सर,
हाँ
ये
जी.
अगर ग्रजेस होल्ड करेंगे सर तो थायराइड भी तो हो सकता है सर.
सर बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. अगर आप ग्रजेस होल्ड करते हो तो बॉडी अगर फाइट मोड में जाएगी तो ग्रजेस होल्ड करने के बाद वजन भी बढ़ सकता है कॉर्टिसोल रिलीज होने की वजह से. बिकॉज इफ योर मसल्स आर अंडर कंटिन्यूअस स्ट्रेस, your adrenaline glands will be triggered. It will release the cortisol. It will increase the belly fat, and probably it will also increase your BP and all other things. Anything which happens is interrelated to one or the other. You check out people who are holding the grudges. They have problems related to backache. They have problems related to weight gain. They have problems related to thyroid. They have problems related to BP. कुछ ना कुछ सामने definitely आएगा. Your body doesn't spare you. if you are holding on something, because you are disrupting the natural body mechanism for the body. And if you are doing anything against the normal biological clock, or if you're holding anything which is not required, it will definitely impact your body. Body and mind doesn't spare anyone. Now we'll go to further things. Buttocks. Buttocks represent power. Breast represents motherhood, nurturing, a feeling of giving. That's the reason, like it is my observation when I have been working through numerology in terms of cancer cases. If the girl is holding on, or if she has a bad motherhood or a pregnancy, or if they don't get married on time, and if the intense feelings are there to become a mother, hormonal changes or body changes happen at that level where the ducts where the calcification happens in the breast, and then that gives a painful, like there are many female friends here, so I'm discussing it very openly. It happens. Calcification अगर एक बार हो जाए तो breast में heaviness आता है. So release the emotions. If you are holding on something, don't keep it, because that calcification, medical science, yes, medical science will work on that. Yes, how exactly to work on it. They will give you all the medicines. But the reason behind that calcification, if you go back to your emotional baggage, release that emotional baggage, you will see the things happening better. This doesn't mean that you should not go for medicine. Medicine should be taken if the calcification process has started in the breast, because heaviness आ जाता है, कभी-कभी वो गांठ में भी convert होता है. See if you have any of your friends who is having breast cancer or other things, probably they have hold on some past trauma. I had a patient of breast cancer, and जब उस पर काम किया था तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसके along with the other therapies उसकी जो lump बनी थी वो कम हुई थी. It's not that I did it, but it is her mind which released that emotion. She had undergone some trauma and hold it on. So release the emotions, things will be, because nowadays this is very common thing which is being observed. So work on it.
So, sir, that trauma is related to the motherhood.
Now, that trauma can be related to anything. I was just giving one example of a cancer patient, but when the calcification happens in the breast, most of the times, either motherhood or either you are not able to feed the child. बहुत से लोगों के साथ ऐसा भी होता है कि डिलीवरी हो जाती है, but they are not able to feed their baby, one or the other reason. We'll not go into that. But then such trauma on the long term impacts the human body. Of course, this is not a biology class, so we'll not go into that depth, but just I wanted to inform कि ये चीजें अगर आपके पास आती हैं तो देखो, and most of you, the people in the group are female friends, so I wanted to put it this way, work. Then
विवेक जी क्या ये चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज के केस में भी हो सकता है?
बिल्कुल होता है सर. लाइक चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज अगर सपोज होता है, especially if it is happening at the age of 12, 13, 14, probably in 8 to 10 years, the reflection of lump might be seen in that particular area. ये देखा गया है, and वहां पर you are, if such case comes to you, work on their past painful memories. Whatever treatment is going on, that's perfectly fine, but work on the past painful memories so that a person removes it from deeper at a deeper level. Because of course doctors will work, if it's a cancerous thing, doctor will work on chemo, radiation, whatever things are needed. But at a mind level, work on that thought which has triggered, and how thought creates a cancer. Go to Google, research, Dr. Hammer, and you will find that how every thought is dependent to create a cancer in the body. 1930 का research है, and it has been accepted worldwide. Now we'll go for ears, कान. It represents the capacity to hear. Or it's an example. And it happens. Suppose if you have a painful childhood, a painful relationship, a traumatic relationship, or something where continuously you're listening, kitch, one or the other way, something, and then you give a strong command to your mind, या मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है. You see that if you are continuously giving this command, do your testing, audiometry test after 6 months or 1 year, and you will be amazed to see that the line is coming down. So never give such commands कि मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है. Your body has amazing capacity to understand the command. It will start working on it. And if someone wants to test it, test it. I don't have any problems. आज कमांड देना शुरू करो, 6 महीने बाद, हाँ श्वेता, 6 महीने बाद जाके अपना ऑडियोमेट्री टेस्ट कराओ. You will find the difference.
Sir, one of my friend actually is there, and उनका यही issue है. Every time किच, and she is like that कि मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है. And अभी उन्होंने मुझे last month ही बताया कि उन्होंने जब टेस्ट कराया, डॉक्टर has declared कि उनका जो hearing power है वो कम होने
20-30%
लगा
कम
है.
हुआ होगा.
Yes.
बिल्कुल होता है.
So I can correlate it.
It works 100%. So anyone who wants to, मतलब किसी को अगर, if anyone wants to test the poison, test and taste both. Try this command for yourself for next 6 months, and I guarantee you that your audiometry test will reflect it. 100% it reflects.
But sir, then how to help her then?
How to help her? Make
Yeah,
her
because
live
obviously
make her
problem is
live
there.
her life, make her accept the situations, that yes, you are strong enough to fight back with the situations, you have the capacity to make it happen, and give her that power, give her that confidence that yes, things can be worked out. And now work on the reversal technique of the knob, that knob technique which we had learned. As I am moving the knob, slowly my audio capacity is increasing. Psychologically it has happened, it will happen psychologically only. Medicines जो चालू है वो रहने दो.
Yeah, sure.
Because once audiometry, as per audiometry test, once the loss is happening, it is happening. Because your nerves gets impacted, and then this audiometry test reflects in it. So again, work on the mind and give a try. If you can give a try for negative downfall, why not to work on the positive downfall, positive things? बिल्कुल होगा.
Yeah, we can try.
It works. You can try means you should give a command to her that now accept the things, accept the scenario, things will improve. बिल्कुल होता है.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello, yes, welcome again. Now we'll go to first other thing. Elbow. Elbow represents changing the directions and accepting the new experiences. If you see the patients related to rheumatic arthritis, these people are people generally who have always said no to new experiences, to new relationships, to something new which is happening in the life. They start feeling the joint pains, ankles, knees, wrist, सबसे पहले शुरू होता है उनको, and they don't even realize that why this has happened. Biologically, it is correlated as a disease, but on the emotional level, they have done these things. So once they start accepting, automatically body starts getting into a better way. So accept the thing. See, if a damage ho jaye, so it is most of the times it is irreversible most of the times, because these damages are, तो पता ही तब चलता है, like just for example blood cancer. Blood cancer generally people come to know at 3rd or 4th stage most of the times, which is really sad. So why to let it happen? work on your thought process in such a way that your blood is flowing freely. So जितने भी आपके आरए के केसेस आएंगे आपके पास, joint pains के केसेस आएंगे, even in the clinical factor, if someone is continuously complaining about a knee pain, ask them that how often have you accepted the changes in your life? Are you resistant for new changes? And probably people with birth number 8 and 9 will face these issues maximum. It happens.
Only birth number.
Sir, name number
Or-
भी आएगा.
or behavior.
Name number भी आएगा. If you are going for name number, then people with name number 48, 38, 19 generally have problems related to spine. 18 generally have problems related to knees and hip joints. And this is my observation based on not less than 500 samples. I'm not saying research, observation. I'm not claiming myself as any research scientist. So work on the thought process. It works 100%. So we'll go to next symptom. Your thumb represents intellect and also worry.
सर एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए नंबर्स का प्लीज.
किसको चाहिए numbers का?
सर मैं रचना बोल रही हूँ, मेरे को बता दीजिए एक बार नंबर्स का रिपीट कर दीजिए.
48, 38,
जी
48, 38, 18 and 19. These numbers are prone for rheumatic arthritis, back pain, knee pain. Make a list of your 100 samples, 200 samples, and you will see either name number or birth number. 18 आएगा, 9 आएगा, 17 आएगा, 8 आएगा. You will see these things happening with them. Just to put it this way, 17 number gives you the health issues which can never be diagnosed in as per medical science. Doctor will say that yes, these things are happening, but why this has happened? That number 7 in your number Ketu, it will always give you the disease which can't be diagnosed. That what is the actual root cause? Chalo, wapas, this is not a numerology class, but when we go for advanced numerology class, we'll be covering that someday. So thumb always represents your intellect. हम दिखाते हैं ना, अंगूठा दिखा दिया. तो ये अंगूठा जो है, ये पॉजिटिव वे में भी आता है एंड नेगेटिव वे में भी आता है. Like you always show thumbs up to cheer up someone. Or else you can also show the same thumb to make you feel that boss, you are good for nothing. ठेंगा दिखाना. So try to show your body, like when you are showing your thumb, it makes a big difference.
Intellect and
Yeah.
intellect and
Worry, WORRY.
okay.
Index finger represents your ego and fear. If you want to observe, do a deeper observation on someone. People who are fearful or are egoistic often face the problem in their index finger. Either they get hurt on the index finger or their index finger gets some of the other health problem.
I have a question here.
हाँ जी.
सर इन केस अगर किसी को आदत हो सोचते सोचते वो मतलब अननोइंगली सबकॉन्शियसली उनकी इंडेक्स फिंगर हिलती रहे.
So it is showing that the person has a fear. He is not able to withstand. He is not able to stand against the situation. Index finger जिनकी continuously हिलती है ऐसे बात, not this way. This way if it is moving, it is showing that he has that capacity to handle. But बात कर रहा है, if he is speaking, and if he is not able to hold on this index finger, probably he has a fear in his mind. He is not able to withstand.
बिकॉज दिस इज माई हस्बैंड्स हैबिट कि वो बैठे बैठे कुछ सोचते रहेंगे एंड उनकी इंडेक्स फिंगर ऐसे हिलती रहती है जैसे कैलकुलेटर पे भी डू कैलकुलेशंस ना,
हाँ.
तो उस
So
टाइप से.
probably, so probably he doesn't want to make any mistake. That fear is there in his mind. So he's continuously thinking that he should not make any mistake. So he's using his index finger continuously.
ओके.
So give him that confidence that boss, you are perfectly fine. You will not make any mistakes. Now it comes to middle finger. It represents anger and sexuality in both the genders. Ring finger represents union and grief. Those people who undergo divorce, separation, can see the pain or feel the pain many times to at this point exactly. यहाँ पे इनको पेन होने के चांसेस होते हैं, या फिर ये इंडेक्स इस वाले फिंगर में कहीं ना कहीं उनको अक्सर एक ऐसी फीलिंग आती है that they are not able to find out what is happening. या तो numbness आ जाती है अचानक, या they are not able to relate that what exactly is happening. अगर आपके पास कोई कभी ऐसा कोई आता है कि जिसका कुछ रिलेशनशिप इशू हुआ है, they will face this, they will tell that yes, these symptoms are happening in their ring finger.
विवेक जी, एक चीज मेरे को पूछनी थी, ये तभी होगा ना जब उसको इस चीज का बुरा लग रहा हो। अगर उसको ये लग रहा हो कि भाई आई एम द ब्लेस्ड वन, तब तो फिर बढ़िया होगा ना।
एब्सोल्युटली, अगर वो उसको उस ग्रीफ को लेके चल रहा है तो, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, like very few are blessed to overcome that particular thing, because for few of them it is a blessing in disguise when a particular relationship ends. It happens, but most of them tend to have that feeling that why this has happened, साला मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ, इन लोगों को ये तकलीफ होगी. Then little finger. Little finger represents family and also pretending. जो लोग बनावटी चेहरा या कुछ ना कुछ फेक प्रेजेंटेशन करने की कोशिश करते हैं, you will see that their little finger moves very often. Please unmute कर दीजिए खुद को. Little finger, it represents pretending also. They pretend to be someone. You guys must be thinking that why I'm trying to tell all these things. Because if I share the notes, probably we might not even discuss about the explanation of how exactly it works. And you guys have to work on the hypnotherapy for helping out the people. Notes will just give you an idea that yes, this represents that. But how it affects the human body, I'm saying it based out on my own experience because I have been working closely with the patients.
सर लिटिल फिंगर में क्या चेंजेस आते हैं मींस?
इसमें लिटिल फिंगर,
हाँ सर,
little finger generally people tend to have a like that finger moves very often continuously. आप देखोगे कि as compared to other fingers, this finger has a less strength. आप उसमें movements देखोगे बहुत बार. Observe a person, you will see that how the particular body part is moving. बिल्कुल होता है. Now we'll go for.
अगर एंगर है तो मिडिल फिंगर कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी?
एंगर अगर है तो आप देखो उनको जोड़ों का दर्द बहुत ज्यादा होता है, स्पेशली दिस जॉइंट. मिडिल फिंगर में भी ये वाला जो जॉइंट है ना, फर्स्ट जॉइंट, मेन, उसमें उनको सबसे ज्यादा पेन महसूस होगा. दिस जॉइंट, फर्स्ट जॉइंट. सेकंड जॉइंट में कम होगा, फर्स्ट जॉइंट में ज्यादा होगा. Once you observe the people, you will be able to find out. बस आज ये लिख लो, आपको 10 साल बाद भी ये काम आएगा, ये बात पक्की है. Once you start observing the people.
Sir, can I share?
And
Yes,
if someone has the pain in that second joint, then what it is? In the middle finger only.
Probably anger के साथ साथ जो sexual feelings हैं, जब इंसान रिलीज नहीं कर पाता है, तो they can have a problem in their second joint. And it is represented for both the genders. We'll be coming to genital organs now. So it represents कि अगर यहाँ पे है तो गुस्सा है, यहाँ पे है तो probably you are holding on certain things which are related to sexuality. इसीलिए मिडिल फिंगर दिखाना गलत भी समझा जाता है. If you show someone middle finger, it can be a criminal offense. हाँ जी,
Sir,
जीविका जी
neck-
आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
सर
Sir,
मैं
neck-
मैं
sir,
ये बोल
neck-
रही थी कि इससे रिलेटेड पूरा एक आर्टिकल है, मैं आपको शेयर करूंगी. उसमें ना मतलब ये बताया था कि हर फिंगर को 5-5 मिनट डेली पकड़ के बैठना है, तो होल्ड करना है. उससे बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ा था, मैंने यूज की थी वो टेक्निक.
बिल्कुल, प्लीज शेयर विथ मी. आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू गो थ्रू इट. कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा. प्लीज भेजिए,
सब
प्लीज
ऑर्गन से रिलेटेड है सारी फिंगर्स, तो वो पूरा डीप में लिखा हुआ है पूरा.
प्लीज भेजिए. सुजोग थेरेपी से रिलेटेड है या कैसा है?
नहीं, बस केवल हल्के हाथ से होल्ड करना फिंगर को ऐसे.
ओके, बिकॉज़ सुजोग थेरेपी आल्सो वर्क्स अमेजिंगली.
ये जिनशिन जुशु करके
हाँ.
टेक्निक थी, वो पढ़ा था मैंने, तो उसका है.
प्लीज शेयर, ग्रुप में शेयर कर दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
ठीक है.
So this is the part of pranic healing also. You start
Yes.
healing before pressing. ये fingers जो ये बता रहे हैं गीता, तो actually start ही वैसी होती है. You should press these fingers.
Because everything was there in India, just that it went outside and now we are trying to see the clear difference. Jivika, you were trying to say something.
Yes, sir. Sir, neck will be counted in the spine itself या अलग
Now
से?
we are coming on the neck also, but most of the time neck pain or neck problems happen when you are not ready to face the challenges directly.
Okay, sir.
One or the other way. And अगर आप पास्ट लाइफ वगैरह देखते हो तो पास्ट लाइफ से रिलेटेड चीजें भी कभी कभी होती है कि किस वजह से आपको पेन हुआ नेक में, क्यों इंजरी हुई, क्या हुई, तो कभी कभी PLR में पता चलता है.
Okay, sir.
So now we'll go for genitals. They represent masculine and feminine principles in both the genders. मतलब this is not कि मेल है तो फीमेल एनर्जीज नहीं आएंगे. Female energies are also equally responsible in the man, and male energies are also equally responsible in the female. Finally, we call it as, what do we call, Shiva and Shakti. Every human is a combination of male and female energies. If either of the imbalance happens, things go bad. Glands, GLANDS. Gland represents the holding station and self-starting activity. Now comes the question about thyroid, जिस किसी ने भी पूछा था. When you are holding on the grudges, your thyroid glands, pituitary glands, these are affected most. जो लोग grudges hold करते हैं, people who hold on their grudges are the first to see the thyroid symptoms. So release them. People who hold on anger, they are the first to suffer out of thyroid. Medically, you might not correlate. Let me complete. Medically, you might not correlate. But on the energy level, on the body energy level, if you are holding on the grudges, they will directly affect your thyroid glands. People who are born under number 3, people who have their first alphabet name S, are very prone to have thyroid health issues. Very prone to have thyroid health issues. Don't ask me why. That will cover in advanced numerology someday. But ये लिख लो, काम आएगा आपके.
सर मेरा नेम जी से, मेरे को है थायराइड, बेटी 3 नंबर है, उसको भी है.
आएगा ना. You are coming under Jupiter, definitely आएगा.
हाँ जी.
प्लस जी के खुद के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी ऐसे हैं जो थायराइड की जाएंगे. आपकी बेटी जिससे बात की थी वही ना?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
वो भी नंबर 3 पे है, प्लस उसका जो स्टार्टिंग अल्फाबेट है, that is giving her aggression, which is making her thyroid triggered.
और 6 है,
नाम का फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट है. हाँ,
3 और 6 का कॉम्बिनेशन है.
3 और 6 का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है तो यूट्रस एंड जो ओवरेज रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स फीमेल्स में होते हैं. मेल में प्रोस्टेट के प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. चलो we will not go into numerology, वरना मेरी numerology की दुकान बंद करवाओगे आप.
Sir, can I ask something?
Yes.
सर अगर प्रेगनेंसी के बाद किसी को थायराइड हुआ still the reason remains the same? जैसे कि
biologically doctors will say that yes, whatever hormonal changes happen in the body, that is like thyroid is one of the hormonal changes.
जी
But if your pregnancy was smooth, if everything was smooth, probably you will not get the thyroid.
right.
So I'll put this off the record. Your mind has an amazing power. Now again we'll come for further things.
प्लीज ग्लैंड्स का बता दीजिए दोबारा जरा.
Glands का जो है, glands represents the holding station and self-starting activity. Self-starting activity, for example, pineal gland. When it is activated, you are like go-getter. You can do everything in your life. बाकी के glands जो है आपके hormonal glands, endocrine glands, these are the starting stations for many diseases also. If you are not working on that on the emotional level. और आज अपने को ये सारा कंप्लीट करके ही जाना है, so don't worry. थोड़ा लिखने में टाइम लगेगा, but I still want you to do it because it will help you in the bigger level when you are writing your scripts for anyone. For example, कल अगर आपके पास कोई आरए का पेशेंट आता है, बीपी का पेशेंट आता है, किसी के रिलेशनशिप के इश्यूज हैं, you will be able to use these things easily. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Lungs, they represent the ability to take in life. For example, people who have very negative attitude towards life or are always pessimistic or probably have an ability to always curse others, see that they have one or the other problem related to breathing. Even इनको infections भी बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं. You see the people around you, those who have habit of cursing others. भले अपने काम वाली बाई को आप गालियां दो, आपको आपके breathing में प्रॉब्लम दिखाई देंगे. Because your lungs denote the ability to see and take the life in the sense positive way, breathing. So your thoughts matter a lot. Then mouth. It represents new ideas and nourishment. Nails, Nails. नेल्स लिखा. बहुत से लोगों के नेल्स पे आप देखो ऐसे वाइट ब्लैक लाइंस आ जाते हैं. मेडिकली they term it as a blood coagulation or blood impurity or something related to blood. But this will happen with people who feel unprotected. When the person is feeling unprotected, जब आप आपके छोटे बच्चे को बहुत ज्यादा डांटते हो, अगर वो डरा हुआ है, सहमा हुआ है, if your child is feeling unprotected, you will see that probably they are experiencing those lines on their nails, vertical lines, maybe black or brown. That shows that the person is feeling unprotected. श्वेता मत देखो, बच्चे को बाजू में बिठा के रखा है.
मैं नहीं बिठाती. He is like he's a fan of yours.
Yes, it's really right. हाँ जी.
ये लाइंस को रिजेस कहते हैं सर.
लाइंस को रिजेस भी कहते हैं. Definitely RIDGES. It can be termed as a ridge, but it happens when the person is feeling unprotected, and it's not necessarily related to children. It even happens in adults. When they face criticism in their relationship, when they feel insecure in the relationship, when they face traumatized in their relationships, these lines start getting developed. Medical correlation is important because probably it has already reached to that level where body has started showing the symptoms, and these are the symptoms on your hand that something has gone wrong at a deeper level. Probably your body has already started getting deteriorating in that way. So it is the first symptom. Whenever you are seeing something on your nails, meet your doctor and explain him. Probably he might be able to find out if any biological changes have happened in the body. But secondly, make sure that you are giving a comfort to the person that boss, you are completely safe, nothing is wrong. बिल्कुल, जो नेल पॉलिश लगाने वाला काला रंग नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. नेल पॉलिश लगा के अगर आप 1 महीने बाद देखोगे तो काला ही दिखेगा. So see that way. Now we'll represent nose. Nose represents your intuition, self-recognition. इसने तो हमारी नाक कटा दी. These people tend to have problems related to sinus. Those people who are always deprived of their existence or their pride, they tend to have sinus related issues. देख लो आप, आपके पास कभी अगर कोई बोलता है ना sinus का patient आता है, or someone in your family, if he or she is complaining sinus, probably their existence has been challenged in the family. They are not getting that importance. They are not getting their worth in the family. Medically, sinus is termed as a disease or as an allergy, whatever we call. But probably they are not getting the worth in the family and they tend to have the sinus. देख लो आप, कोशिश करके पता कर दो, you will get the things. Then
फिर सर सॉरी डिस्टर्ब, सिर्फ फैमिली या
कहीं पर भी,
सोसाइटी?
कहीं पर भी, सोसाइटी में भी, if continuously if you are facing hatred, rejections, probably you can develop sinus, and sinus वो भी यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है that your bone starts swelling. It's not only about allergic sinus, but a swelling starts happening. Then nodules.
So क्या?
Nodules, NODULES.
So
आप
I
बोलोगे
don't know what
पूरा
it
ह्यूमन
is.
बायोलॉजी आज बता दूं, पूरा ह्यूमन बायोलॉजी आज ही सिखाओगे, but it will help you on long term. Nodules को मैं ऐसे explain करूंगा that Minesh sir, you are there?
Hello. Yes.
Minesh sir, yes. Like what is the thing which we first when यहाँ जो nodes आते हैं,
lymph node बोलते हैं
lymph nodes,
उसको.
हाँ, nodules, yes. Any changes which happen in the body, your entire body is made up of lymph nodes. Lots of lymph nodes are there. When anything goes wrong, biologically, those lymph nodes show the difference which doctors can make out. Swelling आ जाती है. Normal case में अगर किसी को like, especially when it comes to cancer, the lymph nodes here, you can actually feel it with the hand. So that shows, yes, something is actually not working out. Nodules का representation तब आता है जब इंसान में frustration होता है, resentment होता है, गुस्सा होता है. Now I'll try to correlate how exactly it works. For example, if you see your child catches up with a viral fever, children in his class are not having that viral fever, but your child gets a viral fever. If you analyze the pattern of your child, probably 2 days, 3 days back, 1 day back, 1 week back, he must have suppressed certain anger, or he must have gone through some phase of anger. And then automatically his body starts changing internally, immunity drops. And at the same time, when the body structure changes, when something goes wrong in the body, the first thing which gets affected are the lymph nodes. They show your resentment. Lymph nodes, growth of lymph node always doesn't mean cancer. I just gave you an example. Lymph nodes can eventually show a growth or swelling under various circumstances. And the first thing is viral infections, resentments. It happens. जिनके eosinophils बढ़े हुए आते हैं. Will not go too much depth. Now we'll go for further things.
Sir, how is nose related to intuition? With what
Nose.
symptoms? Nose is related.
जिनका नाक बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होता है ना, वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से चीजें सूंघ पाते हैं. They are able to sense the things. It's not necessary कि चपटे नाक वाला नहीं करेगा. Nose represents your intuition. कुछ लोगों को अच्छी खासी नाक होती है, but still they are not able to have the intuition because they have suppressed their intuition power.
Very true.
अब हम जाते हैं pancreas. It represents the sweetness in the life. Diabetes वाले patients. Shoulders represent responsibilities, joys, burdens. Teeth represents decisions. Legs represent how you are carrying forward yourself in the life.
Sir, can you repeat?
Legs represent how you carry forward, how you carry yourself in the life. This was not the part of the course if you go through the curriculum जो मैंने भेजा था. But I wanted to share this because sometimes I feel good when I give some surprise items. So legs represent how you carry forward yourself in the life.
तो टीथ का आपने कहा डिसीजंस, यानी कि अगर
डिसीजन मेकिंग,
अगर डिसीजन मेकिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है तो यानी कि टूथेक या
टूथेक है, या फिर अगर उनके दांत खराब है तो भी वो लोगों के डिसीजन मेकिंग में प्रॉब्लम आता है. बिकॉज टीथ, व्हाई? बिकॉज टीथ रिप्रेजेंट्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस मेनी टाइम्स. So they feel deprived of taking decisions at times on the emotional level. On the biological level, you will say what the hell it is, daant toot gaya. But it works on your emotional level and it at times can work on your confidence level. Confidence ke dhajjiyan ud sakti hai insaan ki. So now my question comes is, चलो आप सबने अभी इतना सब कुछ तो लिख लिया, अब मुझे छोटा सा क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर, क्योंकि हमने सारा कंप्लीट कर लिया इसलिए कि मुझे थोड़ा इसमें डिटेल अगर बताएं तो, बिकॉज आई फेस्ड लाइक दिस एज अ वेरी क्लोज रिलेटिव कि मेरी जो फ्रेंड है शी हैड द फर्स्ट बेबी 25 years back. And the first baby, she could not able to feed the child, and she cried a lot. And that baby, like, मतलब वो बहुत weak हुआ, और now they all are fine. But why this happened? Like she tried so much, but she was not able to feed the child.
Why she was not able to feed? Was there any medical reason or what?
No medical reason. Everything was fine. But in last 2 months, her relationship within the mother-in-law was not good. Is that the reason?
See, if she is not able to feed her child, was she able to produce the milk? That is the big question.
Yes.
Was she ready?
Yes.
To even think. For example, off the record, I can tell you one more case.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
प्रकाश सर नमस्कार, तुमची नात आहे का? Your daughter-in-law. Good, very sweet. So now I have a question. A person comes to you with a complaint that I'm having a back pain and also the color of my nails is changing. बिना notes देखे कौन बताएगा? A person, हाँ जी, yes पल्लवी.
So पहले हम उसके फैमिली इश्यूज के लिए पूछेंगे. We will ask him that if what about his the support of his family. या कुछ fear तो नहीं है उनके अंदर. Any type of fear which has been developed in his or thoughts or in his mind going on, और पास्ट में कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो, कुछ ऐसा ट्रॉमा, या फिर अर्ली एज में पेरेंट्स हैं नहीं हैं
या उनका
वाइफ के साथ. Yes, the support.
So that will help you to understand that what can happen, because इससे ज्यादा बाहर कुछ नहीं निकलेगा. Maximum issues related to emotions ही आएंगे. चलो next question. A severe pain in the entire left side of the body. This I had told you 2 days back.
Sir, may I?
हाँ please.
Sir, when we are suppressing our feminine characters, then we go any ailment in our left side of body.
Perfect.
Sir, I want to share one more experience here.
Yes,
मैं थोड़ा emotional pains पे मैंने थोड़ा read किया था and थोड़ा research भी किया था. So I came to the conclusion कि जब भी हमें responsibilities बढ़ जाती हैं हमारे ऊपर, चाहे family की हो, चाहे professional हो, so shoulder and upper back pain करता है, and जब financial issues होते हैं तो lower back pain करता है, जिनके साथ भी financial issues होते हैं कि finances कहीं फंसे हैं या नहीं आ रहे, मेहनत करके भी उतना अर्निंग नहीं हो रही है. एंड whenever we are in emotional stress, family support हो या कोई भी relationship traumas हो, तो middle back pain करता है.
Absolutely true. Plus one more point to add: if someone is holding grudges against their parents, they will see a lower back pain, L4, L5, L6.
Okay.
Go with medical science, get your MRI done. Probably you will see that the slip disc has happened at this level, or even the cartilage in that particular L4, L5, L6 is seen that it is reduced. The discs are either shifted from their place. This is the first sign that yes, I am not talking about a physical injury. If someone has a sports injury and sees a shift in L4, L5, L6, that's different matter. But a healthy person, a normal person goes for an MRI and he sees that L4, L5, L6 is affected. Ask him how are his relations with his elders.
सर इसका भी एक है मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस. एक है मेरे फ्रेंड, उनके लोअर बैक में हमेशा पेन रहता था एंड 6 months बैक हिज फादर एक्सपायर्ड. उसके बाद फिर उनका वो लोअर बैक पेन कम हो गया. हाँ, फाइनेंसेस भी उनके बेटर हुए बिकॉज फाइनेंशियल झगड़ा ही था पेरेंट्स के साथ. तो मतलब पेरेंट भी एक्सपायर हुए फादर एंड फिर फाइनेंसेस भी प्रॉपर हो गए, तो उनका लोअर बैक पेन अब नहीं होता है.
बिल्कुल, it works. राजेंद्र जी, yes, you have to share something, I think.
सर क्वेरी है एक.
हाँ जी सर.
Conditions like varicose veins.
Okay.
इसके हम क्या इमोशनल या मेंटल इश्यूज के साथ कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं, और सबसे बड़ी बात इसका कोई ट्रीटमेंट भी नहीं है.
Varicose veins, honestly, even if there is no treatment, but medical science at least gives you medicines to keep your blood flowing, free flow. जैसे
so वो stockings ही पहना देते हैं.
Completely related to your sugar levels in the body, plus the stress levels which you are carrying, your capacity or ability to move forward in the life. When you feel like you are blocked completely, you start experiencing those issues in your legs, nerve related issues जो होते हैं, especially below the knees. When you are
Right.
not allowed to grow, when you are continuously suppressed, one or the other way, they can result in varicose veins. I am not talking about a medically, they have to be addressed, but on emotional level, if you are seeing them, the person who is continuously suppressed, they will experience varicose veins very often, right? They will, especially after 40s, they will see that yes, when the actual body mechanism starts changing, varicose veins will come in picture.
So मतलब आपकी बात सुन के मैं कोरिलेट कर पा रहा हूँ. That means because the concerned person had, let's say, a frustration or disappointments of 20-25 years, और अब आ गया तो वेरिकोज वेन्स में कन्वर्ट हो गया, तो इसका मतलब एनएलपी से उसको कुछ तो रिलीफ मिल ही सकता है.
200% मिल सकता है, but I am not saying that he should not take a medical treatment, but I can guarantee one thing.
जी.
With help of NLP and hypnotherapy, things can be
Much
made better, because his own willpower is also equally important along with the medicines which he is taking. It can be worked out. Finally, efforts have to be taken into right direction. There is no claim whether this can be done or that can be done.
Okay.
But efforts have to be done to make it better.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
I second this for varicose. आपने जो बताया suppress, I have also seen. So I second this. That is due to suppression only.
Thank you, madam. यहाँ पे और किसी ने भी हाथ अभी ऊपर किया था, नेहा डावर. हाँ जी, नेहा जी.
सर जैसे ये वाला होल्डिंग ग्रजेस अगेंस्ट पेरेंट्स है, जिसका इम्पैक्ट L4, L5, L6 पे आता है. तो इफ समबडी कम्स फॉर थेरेपी टू अस, बट जैसे एक्सेप्टेंस मोड में ना हो कैट यू नो दैट दिस इज द इशू, तो फिर हाउ डू वी हेल्प दैट पर्सन?
Make them cry. Catharsis.
Okay.
Make them cry to the level that yes, now I need to release everything. Nowadays, the problem has a big problem. There is no substitute for medical treatment which is going on for whatever things you are doing. But catharsis can help you in releasing many emotions and making your life stress-free. Catharsis works. And if you are not able to do catharsis, like if you are not getting a trained hypnotherapist, at least try to cry honestly. It will help. It doesn't mean that you should continuously go into grief and not that way. A therapy-based crying, like you go there, like the way you go to massage parlor, the way you go to beauty parlor, वहां करके आप वापस आ जाते हो. There are centers where catharsis is done. Go there, get your catharsis done. पैसे देके लोग रोने के लिए जाते हैं, because it's a process. Get it done, you will see that your diseases are like getting released at a faster rate. Along with your medical treatment, go for releasing your stress. Go for releasing your hold on emotions which you are holded on. Life will be easy for you. So last question, Ashka.
Excuse me.
हाँ जी.
I do.
क्वेश्चन तो आने दो. हाँ बोलो पल्लवी.
सर मैं बस शेयर कर रही थी. सर होता है, मैं कभी कभी जब बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड हो जाती हूँ या मुझे लगता है कि सब कुछ कैसे मैनेज होगा, बहुत सारी चीजें अलाइंड हैं एंड ऑल, तो बहुत बार होता है क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स नहीं मिलते, अपने लिए भी नहीं मिलते. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, whenever I do पूजा, जब मैं पूजा पे बैठती हूँ या मैं भगवान की तस्वीर को जिनको भी मान रही हूँ मैं उन्हें देखती हूँ, so during the puja process I start, my eyes get watering, I start crying. I don't know from where the water comes, from where that comes, but I yes.
वो यहाँ से आता है, यहाँ से निकलता है.
निकलता है.
And it releases from eyes.
Yes, and then I feel इतना relax and इतना relief मुझे मिलता है, and I get answers to my questions, and seriously इसके बाद सारा level वो ना टेंशन का खत्म हो जाता है.
लोगों की आंखों में से पानी आता है, कुछ लोगों को ब्लैडर फुल होता है, बहुत हेवी हो जाता है ब्लैडर. They are not able to sit for 5 minutes. So it works. Finally, body has to release one or the other way.
Yeah.
So मेरा last question है आज का. If a person is having problem in the stomach related to digestion, what would be your first analysis? Not judgment. Analyze. What would you think in your mind that yes, he is having a problem related to digestion? I have taught you mind theory, that how your body goes into fight and flight mode. Batao.
Register.
Register. What is register means?
Resist.
Resist. Resist.
गुस्सा.
गुस्सा नहीं होगा. Why does the problem happen in your stomach? Is why the body has fight mode.
सर उसका रीजन मुझे पता है सर. सबसे पहले फियर होता है. आपका स्टमक एम्प्टी होता है तो स्टमक में से जो भी ब्लड फ्लो होता है वो पैरों की तरफ जाता है. उसके बाद आपके हार्ट की पैल्पिटेशन हाई होती है तो वो ब्लड मूव करता है पूरी बॉडी में. और इस कारण से जो फियर है, फियर की वजह से मतलब इस ट्रॉमा की वजह से ये आप ग्रजेस या मतलब ये फाइट मोड में बॉडी जाती है.
One of the valid reasons for that, because when your viscera is empty of the blood, probably it loses its capacity to digest the food properly. And why the viscera gets empty? When your body is under continuous fight mode, stress, fear, somewhere you are not able to come out of that particular situation. If you remember, there are two types of nervous systems. Apart from the central nervous system, we have discussed parasympathetic nervous system and sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system acts when your body is under continuous stress and continuous fear. And once that stress or fear is released, your parasympathetic nervous system takes over your body and your body gains the normal function. But if it is not happening, means your SNS system is under continuous activation, probably you will encounter all sorts of health issues. So work on your mind. ये सारे टर्म्स अपने आप आपको याद हो जाएंगे अगर आप पढ़ाई करोगे तो. मुझे भी अपने आप नहीं हुए थे, but then once you are working, once you decide that you have to do it, there is no choice. For me, I had no choice. अगर मुझे जिंदा रहना है, मुझे काम करना है, तो मुझे ये सब सीखना ही है. For me, it's my daily bread and butter. So I have to do it. No choice for me. आप लोगों के पास बहुत सारे choices है. Most of you are working, most of you are already well settled in the life. मेरा ऐसा नहीं है. मुझे तो करना ही है. So for me, I have to learn it. जिनको hypnotherapy में आगे जाना है, उनको भी compulsory they have to learn that how exactly the body works. I am not talking about hypnotism from day one. I am saying it's not hypnotism, it's hypnotherapy. And once the word therapy comes in picture, you are directly dealing with a human being. So this was for today.
सर मेरी क्वेरी थी रिगार्डिंग सप्रेसिंग फेमिनिटी से क्या मतलब?
सप्रेसिंग फेमिनिटी का मतलब ये होता है कि छोटे बच्चों को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड इट्स वेरी कॉमन इन इंडिया, क्या लड़कियों जैसा होता है,
शुरू से डिवाइड कर देते हैं कि
That's one of the biggest problems, that men are not allowed to cry.
Yes.
And when men don't cry, they either succumb to disease or probably they can get into a criminal tendency. So one should be allowed to cry, whether it's a girl or a boy. Never say your baby, never say your child, if he is a boy, don't tell him क्या लड़कियों जैसा होता है. That will give him an inferiority complex permanently in the life. Plus, never tell your girl क्या लड़कों जैसा घूम रही है. उसके कॉन्फिडेंस की धज्जियां उड़ सकती है. Give them the gender equality so their male and female energies are balanced in the right way. अच्छा एक्सपोजर दो बच्चों को, give a right exposure, let them balance well in the life, things will be easy.
और सर अगर कंप्लीट राइट हैंड साइड बॉडी में पेन होता हो तो रीजन?
So probably your confidence level has gone down due to one or the other reason. You are not able to accept that you can do some good things in your life. Your male energy has gone so low that you are not able to understand what is happening in your life. तो जस्ट चक्रा हीलिंग करके बहुत बार ये सारी चीजें निकल जाती है. इवन इफ यू डू 21 days कंटिन्यूअसली चक्रा हीलिंग, थिंग्स कैन गेट बेटर.
और
तो
हमने
डे
कई
5
कई
के
बार
नोट्स नहीं मिले सर अभी तक.
मैंने दिए नहीं ना, कल मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया था.
हमने कई बार ये आज देखा कि
भेजूंगा डे 5 डे 6 के नोट्स, डोंट वरी.
सर अब गुस्सा ठीक है ना?
डे 5 डे 6 के नोट्स कंबाइंड भेजूंगा, कल इसलिए नहीं भेजे थे बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू शेयर कंबाइंडली.
विवेक जी, हमने कई बार आज ये कहा कि ग्रजेस अगेंस्ट पेरेंट्स या कुछ भी अगेंस्ट पेरेंट्स, हम सिर्फ पेरेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, या किसी भी तरीके के फ्रेंड सर्कल या किसी भी तरीके की सपोर्ट?
देखो, फ्रेंड सर्कल जो है, फ्रेंड सर्कल आल्सो, दैट सपोर्ट आल्सो मेक्स लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस. बट फॉर चाइल्ड द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच स्टार्ट्स इज फैमिली, एंड वंस दैट सपोर्ट इज नॉट देयर, then the person tries to find out the support outside the family. So first comes in the family. We always say everything starts with family. जो भी सबसे पहले है वो फैमिली में होगा. यहाँ नहीं मिला तो इंसान बाहर जाता है. इंसान चलो होटल में कब खाना खाने के लिए जाता है? जब घर का खाना बोर हो जाता है या घर में खाना ना बना हो. रोज रोज 2 मिनट की मैगी खा के इंसान बोर हो जाए तो फिर होटल में जाके ठीक से खाना खाना पसंद करेगा. So whenever something is lacking, a person tries to fill that vacuum through some other way. So यहाँ तक किसी को कोई
और
doubt
सर
है?
लास्ट में एक बात कहना चाहूँगा ज़रूर कि पूरे सब क्लास को मैं थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा कि वो मेरे साथ इतना बियर कर रहे हैं. मेरे ओवर क्वेश्चनिंग हो रही है क्योंकि कुछ एक्साइटमेंट ज़्यादा है मेरे को, ठीक है. लेकिन सर एक चीज़ मुझे जाननी है, आपको इतने लंबे समय से जानता हूँ, इतनी हमारी बातचीत काफ़ी लंबे समय से होती रहती है रिगार्डिंग लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. आप इतने पोलाइट कैसे, और हमेशा एक ही बात कहते हो कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मुझसे ज़्यादा समझदार लोग हैं. ऑल्दो हमें पता है कि आपको चीज़ें बहुत कुछ आती हैं जो कि दूसरों ने शायद अभी सोची भी नहीं होंगी. स्टिल हमेशा एक बात कहना, ये कौन सी कमांड है, ज़रा ये बता दो ताकि हम भी यूज़ कर सकें.
So ये कमांड नहीं है. I believe in that I don't know. Because unless and until you believe that yes you need to learn, you can't learn. The day I think that I am doing it, so that becomes the biggest problem. And I share that experience also, that how even I had that attitude शुरू में, बहुत पहले किसी ज़माने में था कि हाँ मुझे आता है. I was in my engineering project, I'll put it off the record, I don't